Wow, look at all the giant trees.
Welcome to the great outdoors, Lily.
Smell that fresh pine air. This is the perfect camping spot.
I want to explore. I want to find a bear.
Oh, no bears today, thank you very much.
First, we need to set up the tent before it gets dark.
I can help. I am a great camper.
I know you are, sweetie. Grab those tent poles for me.
Here you go, Dad.
The fire is starting to crackle. It is getting chilly.
Look at the orange flames. They are dancing.
Okay, the tent is built. Great teamwork, guys.
The sun is going down. The forest gets very dark at night.
That is why I brought these heavy lanterns. I am putting one lantern on this stump and one by the tent.
They are so bright, like little yellow suns.
Lily, I need you to listen to me very carefully.
I am listening, Dad.
You see the light from these two lanterns?
Yes. It makes a bright circle around our camp.
This is the most important rule of camping. You must never, ever step outside the light of the lanterns.
The woods are very big and very confusing in the dark.
If you leave the light, you can get lost instantly.
I promise, Dad. I will stay in the light.
Good girl! Now, who is ready for roasted marshmallows?
Me! I want a perfectly golden one!
Coming right up. Hold your stick carefully over the fire.
It is getting squishy. It smells like sweet sugar.
Be careful, it is hot.
This is the best marshmallow ever. Wait, what is that?
What is what, sweetie?
Something is blinking over there, near the bushes.
It is probably just the wind moving the leaves.
No, look! It is glowing! It is a bright blue light!
Oh, I see it. It is a firefly.
A firefly? It looks like a tiny floating fairy.
They come out at night. They are very beautiful.
The firefly is flying away. It is floating toward the dark trees. Wait! Come back! I want to look at your blue light.
I am going to grab the wet wipes from the tent to clean your sticky hands, Lily.
And I will put the leftover food in the cooler.
The firefly is right at the edge of the lantern light. If I just take one step, I can catch it in my hands.
Just one tiny step past the stump.
Gotcha! Oh, it slipped away again. It is flying behind that big oak tree. I am a fast runner. I can catch it and bring it back. Just a little further into the dark. Come here, little glowing bug.
It flew up into the branches. I lost it.
That is okay. I will just go back to the fire.
Lily turns around.
Wait, where's the campfire?
Where are the yellow lanterns?
Everything is completely pitch black.
The trees all look the exact same. Mom? Dad?
The wind is howling. The branches look like scary claws.
What is that giant shadow? It looks like a monster! Oh, it is just a twisted tree root. But I am so scared. Mom! I am lost! Help me!
Okay, I have the wet wipes. Lily, give me your hands. Lily? Where are you?
She was just sitting on the log, right here. Lily! Lily, answer me! This is not a game! Hey!
The lantern boundary. She stepped outside the light.
I cannot see anything past the trees. It is too dark.
My baby is out there in the dark woods alone!
Clara, grab the heavy flashlight. I am calling the park ranger! Hello? Yes, this is Paul from Campsite 4. My daughter wandered off!
I am on my way. Do not panic, sir. We will find her.
I want my mom! It is so cold! I should have listened to Dad. I broke the rule.
The woods are so loud. I hear snapping branches.
Okay, folks. I am Ranger Sarah. I have powerful searchlights.
Please, officer. She is only 7 years old. She is wearing a pink vest.
The most important thing is that we stay calm. The most important thing is that we stay calm. Sound carries far in these woods. We are going to call her name together.
Lily! Daddy is looking for you!
Lily! Follow our voices!
Wait, I hear something.
Is that Dad? I am here! I am over here by the big rocks!
Stop! I heard a voice. It came from the North Ridge.
That is her! I know her voice!
Let's move. Point your flashlights directly at the ground so you don't trip.
Sweeping the blue moonlight with bright white beams.
Look! I see a flash of bright pink fabric near those roots.
Lily! God.
Dad! Oh, Dad, I was so scared!
I got you, sweetheart. I got you. You are safe now.
Oh, thank heavens! Let me look at you! Are you hurt? No, Mom. Just really cold and scared. I am so sorry!
You are a very brave little girl, but the forest is no place to wander at night.
I saw a magical blue firefly. I just wanted to look at it.
The forest is full of beautiful things, Lily, but it is also full of danger.
That is exactly why we gave you the lantern rule. The rules protect you.
I promise I will never, ever leave the light again.
Good job, kiddo. Let's get you back to the warm campfire.
I am holding your hand the entire way back.
I will hold it super tight, Dad.
I think we all need a giant warm mug of hot chocolate.
With extra marshmallows, please?
With extra marshmallows, but only inside the light.